Ever planned to study for just 5 minutes and found yourself scrolling TikTok an hour later? You're not lazy, you're just trapped in the procrastination cycle. Today, I'll show you how to break free from it. Start small, and you can change big, because even a tiny start can spark a big change. Your brain hates starting big tasks, so trick it with the 2-minute rule. If it takes under 2 minutes to start, do it now. Open your laptop, write the title, set a 2-minute timer. That's all you need to get moving. That small start already breaks the ice. As Aristotle said, we are the result of what we do repeatedly every day. Small starts, done consistently, that's real power. We procrastinate when a goal feels too huge and our brain shuts down. Don't say, I'll study math for 3 hours. Say, I'll finish 2 exercises in 25 minutes. The more specific it is, the easier it is for the brain to handle. Each small win releases dopamine, that tiny hit of motivation that makes you keep going. You don't need to run a marathon, just keep taking steady steps. Your real enemy isn't math, it's your phone. The brain can't chase 2 rewards at once, instant fun or long-term success. Choose wisely. Let's temporarily free ourselves from temptation. Put your phone away or use the Forest app. Plant a tree every time you focus. Each minute you stay focused grows another leaf on that tree. You are rebuilding your ability to control yourself. Humans aren't built to focus 3 hours straight. The Pomodoro technique divides time in a way that works well for the brain. 25-minute focus, 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, you can take a longer break. When you study in rhythm, learning feels natural, not a struggle. Our brains need rewards. After each session, reward yourself with 10 minutes of listening to music, having a snack, or watching a short video. Celebrate your progress, then return to your desk. That's how you build momentum. As Seneca said, no one is free who is not master of themselves. Parents, let teens learn in their own rhythm. When they learn to set goals and self-reward, they're actually learning self-leadership. Procrastination isn't the enemy, it's a signal to start smaller and clearer. Choose a tip from this video and try it today. It only takes 2 minutes. If you want a full guide on Pomodoro and Focus apps, comment "I'm ready." Start small, be persistent, and you will see yourself change faster than you think.